this is their decision. But I can control inviting them to take a look. 100% of the people you don't talk to won't join you in this business.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's a fact. 100% of the people you don't talk to won't join you in this business. That doesn't mean they won't join somebody else, but it's guaranteed they won't join you. Man, is that powerful?
Yeah.
That's why you want to let everybody know. But the fact is, guys, is that this opportunity is massive. And why is it that so few people have this service? And I share this, and I constantly share this, is that we're not marketing more memberships than the number of people that can get a new membership. In other words, we're not keeping up with the pace of the growth of the population in marketing the membership. That's why after 25 years I've been in this business, we're still only at about 3% market penetration.
Wow.